How many of you guys know the dance to Chainsaw? Okay. How many of you don't know the dance to Chainsaw? Oh snap, let me teach it to you. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna take a real nice glass of water right here and take a sip because agua is great. Okay. We're from the dirty, dirty South, Atlanta, Georgia, so we call our elbows our bows. So everybody in the place has to get your bows up like this. Everybody in this entire arena has to get your bows up. Y'all got your bows up? Okay, awesome. Now tell your neighbor they need more deodorant. As Lord knows I do up here. Okay, here we go. Here's the first part. Bows to your knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bows to your knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Texas, y'all think y'all can handle that? Okay, I believe you. I believe you. Here's the second part. Y'all put your chainsaws up like this. I know y'all know how what a chainsaw is up here. We all grew up with them. Okay, now go ear. Yep, I knew y'all had it in you. Okay, here we go. Here's the second part. Y'all ready? Crank it, crank it, crank it, back. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, back. Texas, y'all think y'all can handle that? Okay, well let's play the chainsaw then. They like the way I do this when I crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, they like the way I do this when I crank it like a chainsaw. Full pride, heavy metal, set the bar, never level, place game, getting all that can go, go. Never did another that, it's smoking just like that. Just from all that fat, it's my back chainsaw. y'all.